job, Beth.
Thank you.
My gloves keep your hands warm?
No.
No?
No, my fingertips are numb.
All right, let's get in the warm truck. All right, guys, $3.29 a gallon. Filling the truck up here. We had about a quarter tank, so should be about done here. Boom. Just under, here, we'll go ahead and put it at 80. Why not? Gas jumped up 50 cents since yesterday. Might not seem like that big of a deal, but for those 25 roughly gallons, that cost me $12 more than it would have yesterday to fill my truck up just now.
Yes, please.
It's cold out there.
It is.
Officially, good morning to each and every one of you. We hope you all had a great night. We got a pretty good sleep in, and it helped out a ton. I'm going to speed a lot of this salt run up. You guys have seen it a lot lately, so we're just going to fly through and get to the meat and potatoes of this. Alright guys, you know the gist on this one, so really don't feel like filming, but it kept snowing, so yeah, probably should have waited until the very end and plowed it off, but they were still open, so it's kind of part of it. Sometimes you get it right, sometimes you get it wrong.
I will say the walkways and stuff were pretty well taken care of.
Good morning, guys. It's kind of like afternoonish. I don't even know what time it is.
Like 9:30, 10?
You guys sleep deprived?
Not as bad as I have been. It's a little better.
You finally got a little bit?
Just a little better.
I got about five hours last night. Anyways, guys, we got something sweet here. I ordered actually a couple, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. We're just now getting the time because we've been busy. A little busy. No complaints, right?
No, it's been great.
Makes time fly by. Like, I just told Savannah, I'm like, you know, we're in the almost third week of January already.
Yeah.
Like, that's insane. I don't even know where this month went.
It's flying.
I know where my month's been. It's been planted in the seat of a pickup truck.
Yeah,
Not sleeping. This is normally recovery, a little bit of recovery time. Anyways, we got something really cool here. I don't do electrical, as you guys know, but I am going to learn some today. We ordered something from a company called Blizzard Dynamics. You can look them up on Instagram as well. And yeah, order yourself some. We ordered these, like I said, probably 3 weeks ago or so. Not sponsored in any way, but you can get yourself some, and we're going to see what they are and see how they look. And from everything I've seen, they look really cool. So kind of give you an idea what they look like here. So this is the actual bar. That's the company name, BlizzardDynamics.com. Comes with your kit and everything. And then I ordered these. You can get them in a couple different patterns as well. This is kind of like a safety bar. This is the stainless steel one. It'll keep them up high enough so that you don't snap them whenever you're stacking snow.
Once it come down.
So I'm gonna put you guys in hyperlapse, and yeah, we're gonna see if we can get these babies to run.
Watch us play around.
Yeah. TQ coming with the good stuff. Thank you, babe.
Welcome.
Hey, you're gonna have to show everybody that cat too. They keep messaging me on Instagram. No, she ran back in the house. It's too cold out here. It's 40 degrees in here, but what do you guys think outside? 10?
It was 10 earlier.
Yeah,
It was 10 at like
It's better in here.
4, 8.
it's cold.
All right, so there's the cat that's broke my bank account. Been to the vet more times than I can count. We call her old one ear, right?
It's Cora.
Savannah saved this cat. She was in her chicken coop, if you don't know.
I just did her nails this morning. Well, her front
She gets her front nails capped. So they don't want to declaw cats anymore because they found out it's really painful. I tried to get her declawed, and then they were like, "Nah, this is what we do." So, dang, bro. She's like, "It's too cold out here. I'm going back in the house." Anyways, we're waiting on the solder gun here to heat up. We're gonna solder these babies together.
Is it hot enough? We're professionals.
Dude, like,
Damn, keep your hands still. Remember like that meme that goes around like your dad yells at you?
mm-hmm.
Hold the flashlight. Don't move. Don't move, Dan. No pressure.
Is it together?
Should be enough. Now can we slide that up and over?
That was stressful.
It was.
I'm trying to balance the coffee and super zoom filming. What are we doing here now, Mike?
Coffee makes me jittery. I'm just gonna put this like right over that, and then if that thing will go, come on, little buddy.
So
You want it here? Let's do this one first.
we're kind of doing our own wiring. Blizzard Dynamic sent. Where were those things, Mike? Oh, right here, in front of my eyeballs. These, in case you would break one, you could just order another one and plug it right back in. We're wiring them up a little differently.
Got to run the extensions first. That's what we're doing now. Oh, I'm just gonna go on top here. I don't know if it's me or if it's you, Mike.
Someone walked in.
Combination of both of you.
I've only drank coffee today.
I wish I could say the same.
We soldered them together, and now we're gonna shrink them. Got a Milwaukee mic?
Nah. O'Reilly's.
O'Reilly's. Let's go. We're gonna test to make sure the light works before we finish everything and make sure our solder job, well, not mine, Dan and Mike's. See if paying you guys the big bucks worked. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Kind of gives you an idea.
That's gonna look sweet on that plow.
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
All right, guys, we got it soldered here. Now we're sliding it into the riser, and then it's just gonna screw right on in there. All of this comes already assembled. You just gotta slide it through the guard bar here, this bar. Safety bar, whatever you want to call it.
Doesn't get tangled.
This guy here.
Yeah, 3/4 inch wrench.
Okay.
Boom.
You want me to go put this on the plow while you're... That was... Man. You want me to go put this on and then...
Yeah, for lengthwise. Yeah, you know, we gotta do another one.
All right, guys, so installing onto the plow now. We had to take the top hole and just round it out just a little bit at the top. It was just a hair off there for our mount. So, all right, guys, so it's really cold out here. So filming is not going to be its best ever. But we got the markers and the mounts put on each side. Now we're just figuring out the wiring here. We snuck it through the front right here. And yeah, we're going to wire it up. Right, Mike?
Yep, that's the plan.
All right, guys, didn't get the lights done. Storm got here and shut us down. Everybody had to go work, including us. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So gonna salt it off here. It's supposed to stop in the next hour, so we should be able to burn through it. Picked up my dad. He's gonna do some sidewalks for me. What needs done. Just getting it down here real quick. Burning through this one. I don't know why this place is closed. The hours say 3. It's not 3 yet. Yeah, Dad?
You want more salt?
Is your bucket empty? Yeah, we'll go ahead and get some. Remember how to do it, right? Pull that pin. There you go. You can just hold it in, Dad. Yeah, that should be plenty. I'll get that, Dad. Anyways, yeah, I'm not sure why this place is closed. It looks like it's been recent because the parking spots are pretty clear, so we must have just missed them, or maybe they closed up a little early today. So yeah, we'll get it cleared out of here. Just got to hit up by that door, Dad, and the other one. I got in real close with the truck, so I was able to hit quite a bit of the walkway area here. Normally there's a car right here.
Good.
Yeah, it's good. Thank you. Then we'll just go down here, Dad. You haven't been here yet, have you? Throw some through here to the end, and then up here on the steps, be careful, because it's tile, and it gets really slick. Yeah, that's tile. I don't know why anybody ever thought tile on some steps or whatever would be a great idea. Yeah. I think that's why they put those mats there, but those tile, man, I'm not kidding you, they get slick as snot. That's pretty good, Dad. Maybe a little down through here and we're good. The rest of this got hit pretty good from the solder. All right, guys, after the storm, we're back at it, getting these babies. This is just still temporary. We're almost done, but I wanted to be able to show you guys what it's going to look like. It's going to be sweet.
It's pretty cool.
You're doing good, Mike.
All right. Makita pulling it out here for us.
Heck to the yeah. We'll be back in a minute. It's cold out here. All right, guys, so we're going to test it. We got them wired up. Put the lights on. Boom. Heck to the yeah. That looks sweet. What do you think, Nala? Nala thinks they look cool. Nice. So then, all we gotta do is turn the lights off. Boom. On, off. On, off.
That's good.
That's real good. That's real good.
That's all we want, right?
Yeah, buddy. I want to see what they look like from out front real quick. I'm gonna end this video for you guys. Dude, that looks sweet. Heck yeah. So now, plowing in the dark, you'll be able to see exactly where your edges are. And it just looks really cool. Looks really cool. We still got to finish up the wiring here. We really just got to run it across the top of the plow, trim off some rubber. That looks sweet. I love it. Blizzard Dynamics, guys.